Hello everyone, welcome to Lemon Ginger. I'm Asha and I wish you a very happy new year. Let this year be a wonderful and a happy year for each and every one of you. So let's start this year with something sweet. Here we are showing you a yummy oatmeal raisin cookie recipe. They are so yummy with the crispy outside and the chewy inside. They are and taste much better than the store-bought cookies as they are homemade with no preservatives. And they are healthy as well because I have used here whole wheat flour and oats. So let's see how these yummy oatmeal raisin cookies are made. If you're here for the first time, please do subscribe to the channel Lemon Ginger and share with your friends and family as well. So let's start cooking. I have taken here 1 cup of whole wheat flour or atta. Into it I'm adding 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of baking soda, and I'm mixing it well. Now to another clean dry bowl I'm taking half a cup of softened unsalted butter. Now with an electric hand mixer I am beating it for a minute or two just until it becomes creamy. Now to it I am adding 1 cup of brown sugar and doing the mixing again until both have blended well and has become creamy. Always while using the mixer, do not forget to scrape down the sides. And now once it is mixed well, I'm going to add 1 large egg and 1.5 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now again I'm going to mix it well. It will take around 2 to 3 minutes to completely get mixed well. And if you do not want to use eggs here, you can use 4 to 5 tablespoons of whole milk. So now once the egg and the vanilla has been combined well into the butter and the cream, I'm adding all the dry ingredients to it. And with the spatula, I'm just mixing it slowly. And then I'll switch into the mixer, otherwise it will all spread over. So that's why I use the spatula first. And again beating it just until combined. We do not want to over mix. So once all the ingredients are combined well, you can stop using the electric mixer. So as I said before, always scrape down the sides. To it I'm adding 3/4 of a teaspoon of cinnamon powder and 1/4 teaspoon of clove powder. Now mix it for a minute, not more than that. And once mixed, now it's time to add the oats. To it I'm adding 1 cup of rolled oats, and with the spatula I am mixing it really well. So once mixed well, I'm gonna add black raisins. I have taken here 6 tablespoons of black raisins. If you do not like raisins and if you want to add chocolate chips, you can do that. But the healthier way is to add the raisins. And again with the spatula, I am mixing it really well. Now it's time to make small cookie shaped balls and then bake it. So for that, I'm taking cookie sheets lined with parchment paper, and I also have used ice cream scoops. So I'm taking 1 tablespoon of the dough that we made and making small balls out of it and placing it on the sheet. The dough should be kept 1 inch apart. So making small balls, placing it on the sheet, and with your fingers you can just slowly tap it on top. But if you are using a spoon, you just need to butter the head of the spoon and then tap it on the cookie. So I'm using my fingers. As long as it's clean, it's fine. And I'm getting a little help from my little ones. They were waiting for this part to help me. They are also happy, I'm also happy. So once making the balls, as I said before, just flatten it up on top, otherwise it will become a little thick inside. So in this sheet, I could place only around 9 because they are small cookie sheets. But if you are using a bigger one, more will go into the oven. So the first batch is almost ready to be baked, and it's baked in a preheated oven 180 degrees Celsius for 12 to 14 minutes. So each oven will differ, so you have to see after 12 minutes you can check if you receive a golden brown edges, then that shows that the cookies are ready or baked well. Now once baked, I'm moving it into a wire rack to cool down. So with this much ingredients, I made around 36 cookies. So they are very tasty and the shelf life is around a week as long as you're putting it in an airtight container. And it's so tasty, you should definitely try this out. I'm sure that you would love it. If you're liking it, please comment in the comment section. Also, please share with your friends as well because it's such an amazing recipe. So until you hear me in the next video, stay safe you all, and wishing you once again a very happy new year. Bye bye.